Responsibility. It's something the next company we visited knows all about. Recognized as a truly trusted source in the maritime industry, we took a really cool and insightful trip to Fort Lauderdale and met up with the dock experts. Don't be fooled by their name. The Dock Experts isn't your run-of-the-mill dock company. They are marine construction consultants for dock and seawall construction of large magnitudes.
The Dock Experts are your friendly dock, seawall, and boat lift consultants. We're general contractors, but we're also specialty state marine contractors. We specialize in everything from consultation services to repair and rebuild of all types of marine construction. I think one of the things that makes the Dock Experts unique is that it's owned by 3 community business leaders who really take a strong effort to make sure that we do everything we can to deliver a better client experience more consistently on a better time frame. And it's very difficult to do that in this industry. I think one of the things that sets us apart is the Dock Experts owns and operates all of its own equipment. So we don't have to wait on subcontractors. We can be there when we say we're going to be there. And that helps us continue to deliver a better experience for the client.
Providing a reliable resource for marine construction, dock products, boat lifts, and boat lift installation, the Dock Experts is your one-stop marine consulting firm.
When we talk about the services the Dock Experts provide, I think we have to start with the seawall. The seawall is by far one of the most important structures of any home on the water. So one of the first things we do is help the customer figure out and assess the condition of their seawall. Does it need to be repaired? Does it need to be replaced? If it needs to be replaced, we're one of the leaders in the business in true-line seawall systems and vinyl seawall systems. These seawalls are far more advanced than anything that's been used over the last 50 years and far more environmentally friendly. Once we've assessed the seawall, the next evolution is the dock. And what's the size and shape that makes the best fit for the client? And then what type of material should we build that dock out of? Whether it's concrete, or whether it's wood, or whether it's a wood dock with a PVC or a composite-like decking. All of these are things that are important for the clients to consider. And then finally, the clients a lot of times will want to safely secure and store their boat. So we're dealers for most of the major boat lift manufacturers in the country today. So we help customers figure out what style and type of boat lift makes sense for them, how to install it successfully and maintain it successfully. And then finally, we'll do any types of inspection services that our clients may need.
To build the stellar reputation they have, you need a team of true professionals, and that is exactly what the Dock Experts has.
All of our staff is professionally trained. We understand that communication is one of the most important things in this business. So we try very hard from the initial walkthrough with the client to the celebration at the end when we're all done to communicate consistently along the way. Permitting is very difficult in the marine construction environment, so we work very hard with a dedicated permitting team to make sure that we can get those permits faster than anybody else. And we constantly work really hard at technology and advancement. We're members of the Florida Marine Contractors Association and the Marine Industries Association of South Florida. Very important for us to stay on the foremost of what's going on.
No matter your marine construction, you need the Dock Experts.
The Dock Experts is one of the world's greatest because we understand that this is about getting the right advice up front. And we try really, really hard to deliver a better product on a better timeline more consistently. We're one of the most trusted and referred names in marine construction. It certainly makes us one of the world's greatest.
Honesty, trust, reliability. Your marine construction project deserves the best. The Dock Experts, one of the world's greatest.